Okay. Well, a pleasant afternoon again to all of you. A very interesting discussion awaits all of you today. We shall talk about the history of the Latin Genesis.
We shall talk about the history of the Latin.
Panood, mahigit naman nung kanta ng Hail. Ay, gusto mo yun?
Even without the yata, ano pwede? We shall talk about the history of Latin. Andiyan kaya natin yung the.
Hindi naman, alligator na.
Of Latin dances.
Alligator. May have a ball pen. Saka yung ano, panood yung I Believe ba yun? Yung sa Honey na movie.
I believe.
Ano paano mo ba tayo Yolanda Ek?
Okay.
We shall talk about the history of Latin dances.
Yolanda Ek.
Yes, you got it right.
I
You
Believe.
got it right, Paul. Latin dances.
Believe lang
I'm not
ata.
sure you've heard of the...
Sumayaw ka. Oo nga. Sumayaw ka.
Tango.
Don't fly ka kaya.
Salsa.
Yung cha-cha-cha.
Guys, meet Pink Panther.
Pink Panther. Uy, di naman kayo siya race to which
Ten,
one here, Miss
ten,
Princess?
tenen, 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 tenen.
Hey!
Ano pa yung...
Baka hindi na ipapalabas.
Ano yun, sir?
Uy!
Nasa coming soon siya.
Sir, ano? Oo, sir. Sa mga race to
Check.
Pati yung sir pati.
Oh, gusto niya nila. Check.
Maganda. Race to yung which ano? Si
Uy, dalawa na.
Check.
Sandali na lang.
Check.
Kon